If you're a homeowner and you're looking at buying a new weed whacker, there's something greater than brand that you should be looking out for when buying this weed whacker. So let me tell you my top tip, personally, when buying a weed whacker. So the brand of the weed whacker doesn't matter, but this tip can save you a lot of money and a lot of space when you're trying to store your weed whacker. So what I'm talking about is this little bit here, and this will say attachment capable when you're looking it up online. I might even say this in store. And what this is going to allow you to do is replace your string trimmer head like this with various other components that is going to allow you to attach a hedge trimmer, a pole saw, a brush cutter, even a tiller in some instances. And all you're going to need to have is this one head. Now this is going to work for Craftsman, Ryobi, Husqvarna. It just depends on the model that you're getting and making sure that it is attachment capable. This is also going to work for gas and battery powered weed whackers. So all you have to do if you want to replace your trimmer line with another attachment is undo this little nut here, press this little button in on this other side, and off it comes. So you're not too sure how to restring a trimmer line, I'll leave a link in the description below and at the end of this video so you can check that video out too, but it's fairly simple once you know how to do it. Now that we have our string trimmer removed, we can attach our new attachment. Now this is a brush cutter and this thing is great. I do need to get it sharpened or replaced, but all you need to do is line it up like so, insert it, the little button comes through and then I can tighten this up and I'm good to go and brush cut. The other thing that this is good for is you can turn this around. So let's say I've got an awkward angle to get to, I can turn this around and then lock it in place like so, so I can maybe hold the weed whacker at a better angle for me that I find more comfortable. This becomes very useful when you're using a hedge trimmer like this. It allows you to get at the right angle. If you're trimming taller arborvitaes or something like that, you can stand up on a ladder and get this at the right angle. Parts that I have here are all from Trimmer Plus. There are other brands out there with similar attachments and they all fit most trimmers, so make sure before you buy it that it actually will fit your trimmer. I think they're all the same size, but just make sure you confirm that before buying them. This is a great piece of kit to have. This means I've got 3 attachments for my weed whacker but only have 1 engine. So there we have it, that's my top tip on buying a weed whacker. If you're not too sure on how to restring your trimmer line on your weed whacker, check out this video here. I'm sure you find that very useful. With that all being said, thank you very much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.